What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikeway and today I am so excited to talk about my favorite Salesforce super tool, Salesforce Inspector. So, what is Salesforce Inspector? Salesforce Inspector is a Chrome extension that is basically a Swiss Army knife of administrative tools. What's so powerful about it is that it gives you quick access to things that you would normally access by going to the setup menu. So ultimately, this tool increases your efficiency as an admin. Getting started is super simple. Simply search for the Chrome extension, and then add it to your browser. Once you've installed it, you'll notice a new sidebar slider available on the right side of your browser. Simply click on the sidebar to open it up, and now you have access to all the features. Okay, now allow me to show off what this extension can do. I'm going to do this by completing a few very common administrative tasks. Imagine you get a call from your manager. Apparently, your top sales rep, Jolene, is having Salesforce issues. You need to log in as her to see what she sees so you can get to the root of the issue. No problem, Salesforce Inspector makes it simple to log in as other users. Just click on the User tab, type the name of the user, and click the Try Login As button. And there we go, we're now logged in as Jolene without having to go through the setup menu. Great, it's the manager again. It seems he found some inaccurate data. We need to go into a specific account record and update a field value. So this extension gives you instant access to a record's field data, even if it's not on the layout. So simply go to the record in question, like I am right here on this account record, open the extension and click Show All Data. It will open up a new window with all of the record's field data. So let's update a field and save. Guess who? The manager was so impressed by how quickly we updated that one field that he now needs us to update the same field but across all accounts. This extension is also a lightweight data loader, meaning you can export and import data. I'll start by clicking Data Export, and now I'll enter a simple SQL query to retrieve the accounts. And there we go. After I clicked export, I now have all my data and I can easily copy it to Excel and modify it. Now that I've made the changes, I'll import the updated data back into Salesforce. So we'll start by opening up the extension, clicking Data Import, making sure we set the action to update, making sure we're on the right object, and simply pasting in the data. Finally, press Import. And there we go, everything is updated. So this is a must-have Salesforce extension for every Salesforce professional. It's free and, in my opinion, the fastest way to level up your Salesforce superpowers. That's it for this video. Let me know if you're going to be installing this Chrome extension and what other extensions do you swear by. Until next time, see ya.